soft glow, we whisper our dreams in this ancient glen, where the whispers blend with every step. The stars above do gleam, Celtic hearts entwined in this sacred theme. We vow to be one like the night and the dawn in this dance of stars.